Do you want to make your customers more interested for your products than your competitors? Here's the way. Keep watching. Hi, welcome to my Sales Mastery channel. I'm Kitsuri, a corporate trainer in sales, personal development and motivation. I'm here to help you to increase your sales and to grow your business. I'm going to ask you a question. Why don't your customers buy only from you? Why do they buy from your competitors as well? I know you may have a lot of answers, but I will tell you it's because of the different perceptions they are holding in their mind. Some customers consider price as the most important criteria in their buy list. Some people consider quality. Some people consider the delivery period or the after sales service or the brand name. You see, people take different buying decisions based on the perception holding in their mind. If you are the lowest price in the industry, the customers who consider the price as the most important criteria, they will buy from you. If your product strength is after sales service, and the customers who consider after sales service is the most important criteria in their buying list, they will buy from you. Why? Because your product strength is ideally matching with their perception. What if your company's product strength is quality, whereas your customer's number one buying criteria is price? You see, there is a mismatch. How you are going to sell it? I will tell you how you can sell it. I'm going to offer you 3 steps for that. Step number 1, identify the 5 key buying criteria in your industry. It means what are the 5 factors the customers are considering when buy your product or service. It may be brand, after sales service, delivery period, price, quality. You have to do a survey for this. Step number 2, go with this list for your potential customer and give this list and ask him to prioritize this list. Now imagine a situation he gave the list like this. What does this mean? It means he considers price as the most important factor when he is going to buy your product or service. Step number 3, identify your company's product strength. It may be quality, price, brand name, delivery period, after sales service. Now look at these 2 lists very carefully. There is a mismatch. Now how you are going to sell your product to this customer? You have 2 options. Number 1, you reduce the price so that the price will come top of the list. Many times when I'm conducting sales training program, my trainees ask me and they rather complain me, our price is not lowest and the competitor price is lower than us and therefore we can't sell. Then I ask them a question. Do you really need to have salespeople in your organization if you are the lowest price? Please consider some of the factors we can't control, especially the price. The price has taken by your senior management considering many facts. So therefore, it is beyond our control. We should not worry about the things which we cannot control. Option number 2, you change the perception of the customer. It means you change the priority list of the customer so that he considers the quality is the most important thing. At the end, this list should be like this. The quality should come to the top while price second. Now, how can you do this? This is the real skill. Many companies, they pay thousands of dollars for the salespeople because of this skill. Convincing skill. How you can do that? So you have to convince the customers. At the end, the customer should feel the quality is the most important thing than the price, because you can save a lot of money in the long term. There are many ways that you can do this. You can show to the customer how he is going to save money in the long term when he buys the quality product. You have to show the calculation because he is a price conscious person. You have to make him feel how he is going to get the pain if he get the low quality product. He has to spend money for the accessories, he has to spend money for the repairs, the opportunity cost. you can come up with your own strategy for this. Not only price and quality, you can consider any factor in this regard. I hope you understood now how to change the perception of the customers in favor for you. On the next video, I'm going to come up with a scary title, How Discounts Kill Your Business. Hope to see you on next time. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, read below information and subscribe to my channel. I will offer you more videos like this to improve your sales and to grow your business. Have a great day.